से प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा है तुझको आज के दिन के विश यू हैप्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे to you. Happy birthday Shraddha, may you have the bestest birthday, enjoy your day, may God bless you with all the happiness you need in the world. Love you, yeah. Happy birthday.
Hi Shraddha, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. And stay safe.
And your party is pending.
Hi Shraddha, happy birthday. May God bless you and may all your wishes come true. Love you. Bye.
Hi Shraddha, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed and stay happy. Love you dear. Miss you. Meet you soon after this corona ends.
Happy birthday to one of the most hilarious, craziest person in my life. Happy birthday, sweetheart. And may your all dreams, all your wishes come true. And yes, we love you a lot. Stay blessed.
Many happy returns of the day, Shraddha. May God bless you and all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. Have a blast. Bye.
तुला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. पार्टी कधी देणार? लॉकडाऊन नंतर गोव्याला पाहिजे बरं का.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Shraddha.
Hi Shraddha Beti, how are you? Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Shraddha.
Enjoy the party.
श्रद्धा जन्मदिनाशंसകൾ. दिस इज मलयालम. ओके, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
इनको हिंदी नहीं आते इसलिए मैं मलयालम में बोलते हैं.
हिंदी समझ है, बोलता मला नहीं समझ है.
अरे ये बिट्टू के ना, बिट्टू का भाई है, भाई बड़ा भाई.
वो हिंदी समझ है, बोलता मला नहीं. ऐसा है.
Happy birthday, बोला.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Shraddha, this is only for you. Wish you many happy returns of the day. I feel so lucky to have you as my friend. Hope your birthday is as special as you are. May all of your dreams come true. Miss you so much. Love you. Bye bye.
Hi Shraddha, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the love, joy, happiness and success to you. Stay safe, stay healthy, be connected. Bye.
Hi Shraddha, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hi Shraddha, wish you many happy returns of the day. May the coming year be the joyful and great year for you. It's great to have a friend like you who is such a joyful, and it's very nice to be around you. And I wish the coming year will be a rocking year for you. Keep happy, keep smiling.
Happy birthday Shraddha Di. God bless you and enjoy your day. May you always be happy forever. Each moment spent with you was so special, was so beautiful. Missing you so much, Di. Hope we meet soon. Take care.
Shraddha, it's your day. Happy birthday. May Allah bless you and fulfill all your wishes. It's so wonderful to have you as our friend. Have a blast. Enjoy your day. Stay home. Stay safe. Inshallah, we'll meet after lockdown and have a blast.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Shraddha.
birthday.
Miss you.
Bye.
Hi baby, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you, dear.
Hi Shraddha, wish you many happy returns of the day, or all your dreams
Comes true.
comes true.
लॉकडाउन जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए, ये दुआ करना, और हम जल्दी से मिले और अच्छे से पार्टी करें.
और अच्छे से एंजॉय करें आपका बर्थडे. नेक्स्ट ईयर
नहीं, ये साल ही बोलो, पार्टी हम लोग करेंगे आफ्टर लॉकडाउन के बाद. And enjoy your day, dear. I love you. We are missing you so much.
बाय.
Bye bye.
Hi Shraddha, it's your birthday today. So I wish you a many happy returns of the day. बघ ना यार, तुझा बर्थडे कसा सेलिब्रेट करावा लागतोय. Anyways, this is also a very trending way to celebrate a birthday in this pandemic. But on your next birthday, we are definitely going to have an awesome party. Till then, I wish you all the love, success and happiness in your life. And your party remains pending. Be smiling.
Hi Shraddha, wish you many happy returns of the day. And this time we all are not together. Like last time आपण जसे फटाके फोडले होते तुझ्या बर्थडेला. That was really amazing. I can't forget that night की आम्ही रात्रभर इकडे तिकडे पळत होतो. But it was really amazing. We wish you a very bright future. Stay happy. Be safe in this corona's time. And best of luck. Thank you.
Hey Shraddha, in this new normal life, wishing you a many happy returns of the day.
Stay healthy, stay safe. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Shraddha, wish you many happy returns of the day. Sorry यार, हे असं विश करायला लागतंय. Can't help it. काय म्हणतेस, कशी आहेस? I hope आपण लवकरच भेटू आणि we'll have a blast and have a great year ahead.
Hi Shraddha, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and your all wishes come true. Be happy always.
Hi Shraddha, today it's your day. Wish you many happy returns of the day. इस सिचुएशन की वजह से हम आज आपका बर्थडे ऐसा विश सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. सो फॉर नेक्स्ट टाइम हम सब मिलके एक अच्छी तरह से इसको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और एक बहुत ही बड़ा धमाल करेंगे हम लोग. सो भगवान आपके सारे विशेष सारे मुरादें पूरी करें और आपको एक अच्छे बुलंदी में पहुंचाएं. सो विश यू many हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. आइए कभी हमारे यूपी बिहार में.
Happy birthday Shraddha Di. May God bless you. You should always be happy in your life. You should get whatever you want. You should always be happy. Enjoy your day of your birthday. And we miss you all your memories, whatever we had. Very sweet and very nice. Miss you a lot, Shraddha Di. After Corona, we'll meet and then we'll have a nice time with you, nice moment with you. Take care. Stay at home. Take care. Bye. We love you a lot and we are missing you a lot. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lady Love. On your special day, I wish you everything you wished for. And of course more, and a good health which needed most this season. And I think I want to say we hardly met once, but I can say you're a beautiful person inside out and you have a beautiful smile. So keep smiling, keep spreading love like you always do. Have fun with your loved ones and enjoy your day. With friends, I can say this season it will be a virtual one, but don't forget to enjoy, have blast, have an ecstatic one. And once again, happy birthday, sweetheart. Loads of love and kisses. Bye.
Hi Shraddha, I hope you recognize me. So we have never met, but still we have virtual conversations. So on your special day, I wish you a very happy birthday. जन्मदिन मुबारक हो. God bless you. अल्लाह आपकी सारी परेशानियों को दूर करे. अल्लाह आपको हर एक चीज़ से नवाजे, आपकी सारी परेशानियाँ दूर करे. So once again, happy birthday. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye. Hope we'll meet soon. बोल happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Shraddha हो. Happy birthday Shraddha हो.
Happy birthday Shraddha.
Bye bye.
Hey, hi Shraddha. You don't know me of course and we've never met,
but I'm really honored that I got an opportunity to go ahead and wish you on your big day. So darling, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. May Lord fulfill all your wishes. May whatever you desire for, you should be blessed with. You live happily, keep smiling, keep growing in your life, okay? And I would love to meet you really soon. Maybe when I drop by Mumbai, I'll get a chance to see you. Until then, stay safe, enjoy your day, keep smiling. Happy birthday once again. Bye-bye.